siarad Cymraeg yn fantais i'ch plentyn. Skill! Speaking Welsh is a valuable extra skill. Bilingualism means flexible and creative thinking. Is available through the medium of Welsh. Gweithle! Speaking two languages leads to increased work opportunities.
Hi, I'm Sarah Marks. I'm a Year 6 teacher at Ysgol Ferch Sgêr. I came to Ysgol Ferch Sgêr as a pupil, and then I went to Ysgol Llanhari. I then went to Coleg y Drindod Dewi Sant in Carmarthen to study BA Primary Education. During my time there, I volunteered for Mentor Brogwr, which gave me chances to gain experiences and meet new people through the medium of Welsh. My bilingual journey has brought me back here to Ysgol Ferch Sgêr to help others on their journey.
I'm Rhiannon Dixon. I've been head at Ysgol Ferch Sgêr for almost 10 years now, and before this time I've taught in a number of other Welsh medium schools. Approximately 98% of our children come from non-Welsh speaking backgrounds, so it's absolutely amazing to see them taking on Welsh and becoming bilingual, fully bilingual, with regards to their oracy, their reading and their writing by the time they're around 6 years old. At Year 3 then, children take on English as a second first language, and during Year 3 and 4 this can be quite tricky, it's quite difficult, and we get a little bit of mixing up with the two languages, but usually by the time they get to Year 5 that's settled down, and by the time they leave us in Year 6 they are fully bilingual. So you've not only got two languages, but you've got access then to two different cultures completely.